Hi, I'm Riley Schmitz, and I will be talking to you about the Manhattan Project and if the use of atomic bombs at the end of World War II in Japan was necessary. Few actions in American history are as controversial as the use of the atomic bombs. It all started in 1933 when Albert Einstein was working with the Germans and figured out how to split the atom that would eventually create the atomic bomb. He eventually ended up fleeing to the United States in fear of the Nazi Party, and FDR and the United States government was trying to get an edge in World War II, so they created the Manhattan Project to try and figure out how to make the first atomic bomb. They eventually figured it out towards the end of the war in 1945, and there was two atomic bombs dropped. One was on Hiroshima, which happened on August 6th of 1945. 3 days later, there was another one dropped on Nagasaki on August 9th of that same year. In the matter of 3 days, it is estimated that in between 125,000 to 250,000 people were killed. The United States justified the use of these atomic bombs, saying that it saved lives for both sides, because if the United States would have tried to invade Japan and end the war, that there would have been a lot more casualties that would have happened, and the United States kind of just wanted to end it because we were done fighting over in Europe and Germany had surrendered. No matter the stance on the atomic bombs, it did serve its purpose though, because on August 10th of 1945, a day after the second atomic bomb was dropped, the Japanese government released a statement saying that it was going to formally surrender to the United States, and on September 2nd of 1945, the surrender was made official. My opinion on the matter is that I do not think that it was necessary. I feel like that they could have ended it with less casualties if we would have tried to end the war sooner than that. There's already estimated in between 35 to 60 million people that had died over the course of World War II, a large majority of them Jews from the concentration camps and from the Nazi Party. And it has been said that Truman didn't know the true power of the atomic bombs, because when he took office, he really didn't know much about the Manhattan Project. He was just briefed on it once he entered office after FDR's assassination. And most of the people that the atomic bombs killed were civilians. So my stance on it is that I do not think that they're justified or were ever necessary. I think that a lot of another big reason why they were used was kind of a power statement to show that the United States had this great weapon that nobody else really had at the time.